And okay, for friends who are experiencing the same problem, let me give an example like this. Let's turn on the laptop first and what the error is like so that there is no misunderstanding later. So when it is turned on, it immediately crashes and goes straight to the blue screen like this. And for the blue screen code, it is critical process did. Well, for this case, friends, this is very difficult and must be reinstalled. The first requirement is that friends must have a Windows bootable disk space. If the laptop that is erroring, yes, the error is Windows 10, then friends make a Windows 10 bootable. If the laptop that is erroring is Windows 11, friends make a Windows 11 bootable. As for how to make the bootable, friends have to use another laptop that is still healthy, or computer, or friends go to an internet cafe to download to make the boot table, or borrow one from a friend first. Yeah, just for a moment. And I also give an example using another laptop that is still normal. Let's continue to download the Windows bootable. Okay, continue downloading here. Guys, just type download Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft Cheat, this one. Now, and guys, please download the tools, the software tools. This software tool is for downloading Windows while burning files to a flash disk or DVD. So, you guys can burn it directly via USB disk or DVD. I will show you the number here via DVD. Okay, just open the downloaded software and please close Chrome. Now, in this display, please, guys, select ASAP. Now, and here, guys, choose the second option, create a USB or DVD media installation. Don't create the installation above, okay? Just go ahead and click next. Now, here, remove this checklist first. For the language, you guys can choose it yourself. Indonesian, Malaysian, or Japanese, I choose it myself. If I were a default language, I would use a 64-bit system because many people use 64-bit now. Now, this is important, if the ISO file is for DVD, USB for flash disk. Because I'm using a flash disk, I choose my friend's flash disk. If you're using a DVD, choose this ISO one. Choose the ISO one. I'll give an example of downloading and burning it using a USB. And don't forget to plug it in first. What is it? The place disk. Well, my PRSD disk is already plugged in. Don't forget before we click next. Well, if it's already plugged in, please select next. And this is confirmed to be a USB play strip. Well, here, please just click next. Well, the download process is in progress. And when Windows is downloaded, it will automatically burn the file to a USB or CD cassette. So in this process, please just wait for the internet to disconnect or run out of battery on your laptop. Progress takes a long time, just until you get a message like this. Your USB flash drive is ready. So it's ready to use. If you get a message like this, you can just click finish. Later, when we click finish, we will immediately try the USB flash disk that we just created. So when it's finished, the flash disk can be removed. It can be removed from a healthy laptop. Then we plug it into the problematic laptop. Okay, let's assume you already have or have downloaded the bootable. Let's insert the flash disk first, and this flash disk is a Toshiba brand. Please enter the BIOS and set the BIOS so that it will boot to the Please bootable that we have created. And for each laptop, it's different, friends. The BIOS entry button or the boot menu button. Different brands have different buttons, so I will write it like this. So the Asus laptop boot menu button uses ESC or ESIP. SOAR uses F12 or F2, Lenovo F12, HP uses F9, yes, PC or computer uses F12 and other brands of laptops or other brands use F12, yes. Okay, the practical method is like this. We turn it on and immediately press the boot menu button. And since this is an Asus laptop, I press ESC. A boot menu like this will appear. Here it will read the flash disk that we plugged in. Since my flash disk is called Toshiba, we choose UIP Toshiba. Just enter. It will restart like this, friends, and immediately enter a display like this. Well, here, just click Next, friends. Now select Install Now. Then we check the accept section, yes. Next, we just continue and we choose Custom Install Windows Only, yes. Well, here we will install Windows on local disk C, friends. Later, the data that will be lost is only local disk C for local disk D or F, it will not be lost. Where, mass disk C. Usually, the local disk C is, friends, pay attention to the GB writing. The top GB is the local disk C, so please select local disk C until it turns blue like this. Then just click Next to continue installing Windows. And the Windows installation process will run like this. Please wait until the installation process is 100%. But here, for the video, we'll speed it up so it doesn't waste time. And when it's 100% complete, it will ask to restart itself. And for example, like this. There will be a message saying, hey, Windows needs to restart to continue. You can click Restart Now, or just wait for the laptop to restart automatically. During this process, please skip the video. There will be a message saying, Starting service, or Getting device ready, or Getting ready. Usually, this process takes a long time. Please just wait. Try to keep the laptop charged so it doesn't run out of battery. Then there is a display like this, just accept it. Here for the name, it's free again and it will load. The side wants to be Warozabelong, it's free and select not friends, what do we want to give my love for? Sir, for the search, just give the username and password. It can be done later, when, if the password is searched, search the start menu and this is waiting. Okay, friends, we just wait. It will automatically go to the desktop or enter Windows, okay? If for example there are questions, Moss, after installing this, what else do we have to do? Good question. So, after installing it, friends, you have to install the laptop driver, right? For what, Moss? Drivers are for enabling hardware functions, like keyboard, screen, USB, Bluetooth, WIP. Without the driver installed, the function is not 100% functional, right? So half like that. For example, the screen driver is not installed, for example, the screen will not be able to dim or brighten. Or for example, the keyboard driver is not installed, the keyboard light will not turn on. For example, if the WP driver is not installed, what will the WP do? The WP capture is not fast enough. Like that, the function of the driver is important. So, after installing the driver, what else do we have to do, bro? Namely, we have to set up Windows 10 or Windows 11. Why, bro? To keep things neat, not messy. Yes, this loading process takes approximately 15 minutes or 10 minutes, right? Okay, Elmer, almost. Well, it's already entered the desktop, right, friends? This indicates that our Windows installation was perfect and successful.